doing a test. And my good Chelsea, may you have the honors of holding this. Please.
This is water, Taya. This is not vinegar.
I don't care if it's, no, it's water and it'll still work.
No, it won't.
What? Where's the vinegar? Chelsea, get that off. Get that off. Get the case off. Okay, where's the vinegar?
It's in there.
Sorry, y'all. Where is it? Oh, I found it. You guys, I found it. Okay, you can try this at home.
It's very safe.
Yes, it won't do anything.
You could even taste it if you want. But
Don't taste it. It tastes terrible. Okay, where's that powder stuff? Chelsea, where is it?
I put it back to where it was supposed to be.
Where did you put it? Oh, I found it. Okay, you guys. See this stuff? Baking soda. Use this. Okay, you guys, watch really closely while I pour this in.
So much. It was a labor of love.
Whoa! I don't know what to do. What the freak? That was way too much. Okay, I don't think we're going to do that.
That was supposed to happen.
Yeah, don't try that. Okay, pass me more.
And it's very safe. Safe.
Okay, there. Ooh, we're going to clean that up, and that's the video. Thank you for watching, and bye. End the video.